Master Remark.
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a while since I posted the last video, but I'm back. All right, I'm back. So today I crimped my wig. It's so beautiful. Well, as you can see from the title of this video, it's gonna be about me crimping my wig, and I'm excited. I got this for my birthday. Shout out to my boo. He got me this BEDHEAD crimper or waver, and I like the results of it. So we're gonna get braided up. So I'll be back. Hello guys, I'm back and I'm braided up. Now I'm gonna put Jamaican black castor oil in my scalp, because although this is a protective style, you need to, care for your scalp. Anyway, so I'm gonna do that right now. I have a crisscross in the back, so make sure you also get in between there.
Master Remark.
So I started crimping the hair. I want you guys to keep in mind that this hair doesn't have any product. I didn't put any product on it. I know people usually use Got To Be spray for the hold, but I didn't want it to be crunchy. I want it to be like, pillow soft. So I just comb through the section, make sure the section is detangled, and I use small sections. Y'all, this crimper starts to get really heavy after a while, but just take your time. It's very time consuming, but just take your time.
Master Remark.
I should probably get some wig caps, but I'm using a knee-high stocking instead. And stretch it out. I mean, my head is a little small, so I don't really gotta do too much. So now I'm gonna put on this beautiful wig. Look at it.
Master Remark.
You can use a cotton pad. Make sure not to get it on your forehead too much, because I find that I probably have broken out because of it.
Master remark.
This here is kind of big. As I said before, we love big hair. We love it. I'm gonna do my edges. See how far I've come, because the Lord knows. My edge game be kind of whack. I'm not even gonna lie. I'm not even gonna lie. Alright. I feel kind of cute right now. I'm not even gonna lie. Like, these crimps are giving me what I need right now with this quarantine. With my sister Corona running amok, these crimps are giving me what I need. So we're gonna do a little beat. I'm about to put back on the elastic band. We're gonna do a little beat. Oops.
Master remark.
Thank you guys for watching. Please like, subscribe, and comment how you like the video, and I'll see you in the next one.
Master remark.